Hey everyone, welcome back to this lecture. Here in this lecture, we are learning a simple and very simple tag, that is breaking a line. How to create a break. See, in our previous lecture we have learned how to write a paragraph. See, for an example, if my paragraph is having more lines. Hello, I am going to movie and shopping. So let's save it and refresh the browser. Right click, open in browser. So see, this is the hello. The same line it is representing, this one, where I have added here the two lines which I am required. So if I want to create like how I am adding a text here and I'm adding more information, I would like to inform you to creating such a amazing things today. So I want to present this information is very clearly. So how would I like to display and present the view? Like see, when I'm going to open browser, it's all the information is showing in a single paragraph only. That is true. What I have prepared in my HTML page, the same thing it is displaying. So now how I can split it? See here, if I want to split, I want to create here, it's a break line. It's a C. When I'm open and end tag, it's a BR. So the break line will help you to splitting the line into multiple. Wherever you want to split a line into, like breaking a line, there you can add here like a BR tag, so it will be automatically terminates the line. Okay, so let's see now. Save this page and go to browser and check here, refresh. So the breaking line is happened over here. Alright, so similarly wherever you require, you can make it more and more break lines to conveniently present your text as you wish to representing on browser. So thank you.